For number 15, we can solve this one by quadratic formula. We have because just by looking at the multiple choices, that looks like it's the best way for solving this quadratic. So if you remember the quadratic formula, first thing we have to do is find the discriminant. Which is b squared minus 4ac. Then we can plug it into the actual formula, which says it's equal to x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant over 2a. Or the shortcut way of remembering is the vertex formula, offset b over 2a, and then on top of the b is plus or minus the discriminant. So what do I get here is going to be x is equal to negative, let's find that discriminant first. So the first thing I'm going to get is b squared minus 4ac. So that's going to be 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is negative 4. Right? Where am I getting these numbers is just from here. A is that, b, and c. And so if I work this out, I get 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16, times negative 4 is negative 64. So I'm subtracting negative 64, or plus 64 basically, which is 68. So that's the part in the square root. The other part is just the opposite b over 2a. So let's put this all together now. X equals opposite b over 2a, which is negative 2 over 2 times a, which is 4 on the bottom. And inside the square root is plus or minus the square root of 68. So now just simplifying this, we get negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 68 over 8. And we can keep simplifying, but we notice that our answer is already there. So that answer is going to be C.